It was a joyful union of different cultures and different continents. A love story Hollywood will no doubt try to recreate in future years. But the filmmakers will be hard-pressed to match the spectacular reality of Harry and Meghan's day. It had begun with the gathering of family and friends at St George's Chapel, a transatlantic guest list that included George and Amal Clooney, David and Victoria Beckham, Oprah Winfrey and Idris Elba, Sir Elton John, Serena Williams, joined by Team Windsor, the groom's family, some of them veterans of many a royal occasion, but nothing quite like the one they were about to share in. This was to be the first glimpse of the bride, Meghan Markle and her mother Doria leaving the Cliveden House Hotel in a vintage Rolls-Royce Phantom. The first wave of thousands she'd be making today, as with police escort she headed for Windsor. The groom was there early, with his best man and brother Prince William. They had also spent the night at a nearby hotel. Harry dressed in the frock-coat uniform of his regiment, the Blues and Royals. This walk to the chapel would be his last as a single man. Meghan's mother, Doria Raglan, took her place. There was a warm reception for the Queen and the Duke of Edinburgh. This was Prince Philip's first public appearance since his hip operation last month. But on this occasion, the senior members of the royal family were the support cast. This was the moment the thousands camped out around the castle had been waiting for. The bride's car, making its final approach up the long walk, arriving at her appointment with history exactly on time. With just a little help with a 5-metre train, Meghan Markle emerged to reveal the perfectly kept secret of her wedding dress. The work of a British designer, Claire Waite-Keller, and the French fashion house Givenchy. A brief pause to allow the crowd to appreciate the dress. Then, with the assistance of 2 of her page boys, up the 20 steps to the chapel where her about-to-be husband was waiting. He had probably just heard the cheering outside. A page boy's face sums up the moment, as accompanied by 10 little bridesmaids and pages, the former actress makes her way up the aisle, taking the arm of Prince Charles for the last part of that journey, the Prince of Wales standing in for Meghan's own father, who was unable to attend. "Thank you, Pa," Prince Harry says, before telling his bride, "You look amazing."
We have come together to witness the marriage of Henry, Charles, Albert, David, and Rachel Meghan.
There was an intimate moment as the groom lifted the bride's veil before the Archbishop of Canterbury addressed the couple.
Harry and Meghan, the vows you are about to take are to be made in the presence of God, who is judge of all and knows all the secrets of our hearts. Therefore, if either of you knows a reason why you may not lawfully marry, you must declare it now. Harry, will you take Meghan to be your wife? Will you love her, comfort her, honour and protect her, and forsaking all other, be faithful to her as long as you both shall live?
I will.
Meghan, will you take Harry to be your husband? Will you love him, comfort him, honour and protect him, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you both shall live?
I will.
It was at this stage the influence of this newest member of the royal family became obvious, with an address from an American preacher quoting Martin Luther King on the power of love.
Oh, there's power in love. Not just in its romantic forms, but any form, any shape of love. There's a certain sense in which when you are loved and you know it, when someone cares for you and you know it, when you love and you show it, it actually feels right. There's something right about it.
Warming to his theme, Reverend Curry had to remind himself what everyone was here for.
They are Deshaun, and with this, I will sit down. We got to get you all married.
And so it was back to the more traditional part of the ceremony.
I, Harry, take you, Meghan.
I, Harry, take you, Meghan.
To be my wife.
To be my wife.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
I, Meghan, take you, Harry.
I, Meghan, take you, Harry.
To be my husband.
To be my husband.
To have and to hold.
To have and to hold.
From this day forward.
From this day forward.
For better, for worse.
For better, for worse.
For richer, for poorer.
For richer, for poorer.
In sickness and in health.
In sickness and in health.
To love and to cherish.
To love and to cherish.
Till death us do part.
Till death us do part.
Meghan, I give you this ring.
The bride's ring is made from Welsh gold, a gift from Harry's grandmother, the Queen.
Harry, I give you this ring.
Harry, I give you this ring.
He will wear a platinum band.
I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife.
A smile from the bride's mother, a song for the groom's grandmother. And this remarkable ceremony was over. But not their day. Man and wife, and from today the Duke and Duchess of Sussex, they set out to meet the tens of thousands who couldn't be in the chapel but had waited outside to see the newlyweds, and to capture many thousands of personal mementos of a day like none before it. The House of Windsor has a new member and may never be quite the same again. Paul Davis, ITV News.